up, guys? You're watching another video. What are we looking at? Oh, it's GTR. Oh, that one's hard. We just made it here to Texas2K. The last day, unfortunately, dude. I'm actually pretty sad. I've been here actually for like 5 days, but oh my god. They're already racing, but I've been here for like 5 days, guys, and the trip went by so fast. I'm kind of sad. Crazy stuff is happening over there. Today's a bunch of racing. It's finally a sunny day. The first sunny day this whole trip. The weather sucked the entire trip, but today is finally sunny. It's the last day, so we're gonna record a bunch of racing today, and I'm super excited. Past like hour, guys, I've been trying to figure out how to fix this camera. My brand new camera is already broken, bro. It wasn't working, but I think it's working now, so hopefully this footage isn't a waste. Last day, let's get some footage. Let's film a bunch of racing. It's gonna be lit. I'm excited. If you guys are new to the channel, smash the like button. Oh my god, bro, that shit sounds crazy. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are not already. We're almost at 200K subscribers, and let's get into the vlog. Let's go. Oh my god, this shit is clean, bro. Dude, this is fire. What the heck? Nitrous bottles in the bag. Sick ass wheels. It's on bags here at the airlift booth. But wow, dude, this car is literally the most beautiful freaking car I've seen this whole trip, I think. There's a lot of sick cars here, but this is the first bagged one I've ever seen in Texas. No one goes to this extent on these cars. Twin turbo, V8, LS in it. Bro, that is sick. Literally so beautiful. Damn, dude.
This blew your mind for a
bro,
while?
that car is insane.
Damn. Get that. Hey guys, please no pictures. Wall Street, man. I don't like to brag, but I invested in Dogecoin.
You said Dogecoin. Bro, I lost money on Dogecoin. It says FU money. Must be nice, huh? The guy who owns this has this SF90, which is like $1 million, and also has that STO that we filmed the other night with the big tire on it, twin turbo STO. Dude does have FU money, literally. Back at the track, guys. And again, we got here at the perfect time because the GTRs are going up again. It's gonna be sick. Oh my god, guys, look at this GTR. I've been wanting to see this one run all week, dude. Literally the most badass GTR ever. Oh, that is literally the sickest GTR here.
Very, very fast.
There's a lot of sick GTRs here, but I don't know. I can't pick my favorite, but this one
I'm in the same.
is for sure one of my favorites. With the fattest tire I've ever seen. Bro, that was so loud. My freaking ears, bro.
The exhaust is right by our ear. Let's go down.
This is the best part. Oh, that GTR low-key really hurt my ears. I'm not gonna lie. That was ridiculous. The exhaust is straight out the side, right in my ear. Since it's the last day, let's go over the GTRs one last time. If you guys didn't watch the last videos. My twin right here, bro. Literally the same color as my car almost. It's just a newer Innosatec color, but so sick to see it like all built. Because it looks so much like my car. So seeing this is just crazy to me because mine does not look like this. It's my car on steroids. These are all sick. Like I can't pick my favorite one. Like I really can't. These ones are crazy though. These are the ones with like the big old front mounted turbos. Fully raced out. Look at the exhaust too. Oh, almost. God damn. That's insane. Look at the turbos in the front. I'm over here FaceTiming David, guys, so you can see. Bro, I've never heard a GTR doing that. Guys, it's so loud standing right here. I'm going deaf, bro. Just for you guys. He's fighting to keep it straight, bro. Like I said in the last video, I don't want to see a crash. Like, that's the last thing I want someone to do is crash. But I have not seen a crash this whole trip. And there's been a lot of them. And I missed them all. These are so loud. Every Gtr with the exhaust right here just literally makes me deaf, bro. Power, bro. Like every single one is easily making over 1,500 horsepower. Maybe 2,000. There's a couple 3,000 horsepower ones. Like, it's just stupid. This is making me so spoiled, bro, that when I go back to Cali, every car is gonna be slow. Should I do a carbon hood on mine? I kind of want to do it. And carbon doors. I've seen so many GTRs here with carbon doors, and I think that's the next move, guys. Carbon fiber doors. Alright, guys. It's these two crazy ass cars again. The craziest ones at this meet. Arion's walking away.
Oh, yeah. Hope you guys are serious, bro.
Right? We about to go deaf right now, bro.
Nah, this shit different. This shit.
I guess they make 4,000 horsepower each, guys. 4,000. I'm saying that right. I also heard that after a couple runs, I think they have to do a whole engine swap. Arya's standing away. So loud. It literally hurts. Bro, they almost hit each other. Bro, they almost hit each other.
That shit vibrated, bro. That shit vibrated my soul. Not booty cheeks.
Bro, you can feel that shit in your whole body.
Ears bleeding or
Oh my god. You're so sick. Sounds crazy. Look at the R8. R8 versus GTR, guys. Who's gonna win? Both of my favorite cars. I got the GTR now, but I think we gotta upgrade to the R8 soon. Lambo burnout? Damn. Oh, this is for sure gonna pop a wheelie, I think.
If the R8 beat the GTR, he better get the
I
R8
gotta
for
get
the
the
channel.
R8.
Leave it in the comments if y'all want to see his R8.
Bro, I should pop the wheelie.
Yeah, he did.
I'll put money on it if this thing's gonna pop a wheelie. Maybe. I think it's all-wheel drive. So I don't know if it will, but. I knew it. I know. You made it back?
Yes, sir. We made it back. Got us
Bro,
on the shirt, bro.
You got the merch out here.
Since day one, I bought every single drop.
That's fire.
It's a Beamer merch.
We're gonna go check out some more cars. I'm sure you guys are already tired of seeing all the car content. I filmed so much this whole trip. I'm gonna go walk around, see if we can find anything we haven't seen this week before we leave, because today is the last day. I feel like I filmed practically every car here though. These are sick. I need to get some ideas for my merch. Oh, that'd be fire for my merch. Just taking some inspiration. If anyone's watching this and is a graphic designer, hit me up on Instagram at FindingNick, because I'm always looking for graphic designers for the merch, all the FN merch. I need someone else to come up with some cool merch. So if anyone's out there that's a graphic designer, hit me up. I blame these cars for being deaf. The loudest cars here by far. I'm not gonna lie, this is pretty sick. That's Texas right there. Pimpin' ain't easy. That's funny. Yeah guys, most of the cars already packed up and is out. We already filmed all these the other day. If you guys want to see these GTRs, go to the other vlog. This shit's hard. This guy's from New York. I'm pretty sure Jersey, somewhere over there. He kicks it with the homie Reef and stuff like that. I think it's a street car too. Who drives it on the street like this? All these little BMW Supras are crazy. I can't believe Gustavo's putting his car back to stock. I don't know if you guys know that or not, but the homie Gustavo that had a Supra like this, that also had the headlight like this, the carbon fiber headlight, and the big single turbo. His car's completely stock now, and he's trying to get rid of it. He took off the upgraded trans, he took off the turbo kit, took off the wheel setup, and now Gustavo's all stock. I think he's jumping in a G80 next. So stay tuned for that build. Maybe I'll get a G80 with him, we could be twinning it. Talking about G80s, wow, that thing's sick. What color is that? It kind of looks like satin black, but it kind of looks blue. It's like a blue, satin blue. I'm gonna be sad going home. I don't want to leave. It was so sick seeing these cars every single day, these GTRs. Oh, they're so beautiful. But I'm honestly so glad that I came out here to Texas 2K. I booked the flight the day before. Joseph hit me up. He was like, bro, don't be cheap. Just buy the flight, come out here. I got an Airbnb for you to stay at. Shout out to 412. They got me all of the stuff. That's why we were on the track, able to film all the cool content for you guys. So shout out to Joseph, shout out to 412. I'm just so glad I came out here and made the content, because I've made so many videos so far. And yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying these vlogs. Oh, R32. Clean. Nismo. Oh, it's not a Nismo. It's Nismo fenders. Z36 right here that we saw in the last video. He drove this thing like, I don't even know. I think it was like 4 hours, he said. That's crazy. I'm literally FaceTiming everybody so they can see. One last time, these are gonna go, guys. The loudest ones here. Oh, they put like alcohol in it. Well, they make 4,000 horsepower. Jay and David are betting on the races. Live. the finals. See, these are like the fastest of the entire 2K. You guys better like the video, guys. Like the video right now before we get further, because I'm risking my ears, my hearing for you guys. And look how close I am to the track. I'm trying to get the best footage for you guys possible. This is the last race of the whole event, guys. The very last cars to ever go. And the last cars at this track. This track's getting shut down, by the way. Like, completely.
Yeah, that's true.
The last race of the track. They're knocking down this entire track this year. They're going to a different track. That one's a girl. It really has like a billet block and all kind of shit.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.